You mixed yellow and blue together. Looks green to me. Go all over the page. You got a big blob of paint on there. You got to swish it around. Right there. Big blob. Right there. Swish it around.
Swish. 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 I did it!
I think it looks great.
These ones are mine. Oops, I'm ready.
Look, see, Mommy's going to take some red. And see, I'll put some red on there. And there's also some blue, so it looks purple. I made purple.
Where's purple?
I'll make you some purple paint. Here. Get some red.
Oh.
I'll get some blue.
And then we'll get some purple. Yellow.
I need more red in my purple.
Where's purple? Purple.
It's getting there. See? I made purple.
Can I make me purple?
Yeah, go ahead, dip it in there. You can dip that. That's purple. I made that purple for you. Do you want to use this brush? This brush is much better. Are you painting on mine? You're supposed to be painting on yours. Do yours. Oh! I thought you were going to paint your snack. Don't paint your snack. Paint your paper right here. Paint me a pretty picture.
On.
Uh-oh. We need a napkin. Hold on.